Okay, now we're getting ready to do the installation. This is Mr. Arai, Clazzio team. Actually, he's the designer. He makes these himself. First thing we're going to do is the bottom cushion. What you're going to do is turn it inside out. Go ahead. So put it down. Turn it inside out. Make sure it's all lined up. Then push that bottom portion to the back. Once you get it to the back, just flip it over, both sides, and then over the seatbelt fastener. Tuck it in, make sure it's real nice and tight. And then take the string and push it to the back. And tuck it in. Now you have a tool in the box that we're going to use, and take this tool and carefully tuck it in. It should pop right in, and it's nice and tight. Now you go to the back side. Alright, now when you're in the back, lean the seat forward with your lever. Grab your string that you push through, and we're going to tie a knot actually on the one string towards the driver's seat. Actually, that knot, you put the string through there, and we're going to pull it tight. And we're going to tie it. Be careful when you're pulling the string not to pull it too hard, because you will break it. You don't need to pull it super hard. Make sure you get it nice and snug, and then tie it and secure it and put it underneath the seat. Then take the Velcro, put the Velcro on, and your seat is installed for the front seat. Now we need to do the back seat. Section of this, we're going to take off the headrest. Once you remove the headrest, you get the back portion of this cover, and you turn it inside out. Once you turn it inside out, pull it over and start bringing it down. Line up the holes to the headrest. Okay. Keep bringing it down on both sides evenly. Once you get it down, there's going to be a flap section with Velcro on it. We are going to put that to the bottom. Take your tool, go to your headrest, and just pull it right over. And just tuck them in. Take the flap, tuck it in, push it all the way towards the back. Okay. Now that you're on the back side of the seat, pull that flap section that you tucked in, push it down, get it nice and tight, and Velcro it. There you go. Now to the headrest. Put the headrest back on without the cover. And then make sure it matches. You can check it from side to side. Go ahead and start pulling it over. Try to be careful with these because they will sometimes tear if you're doing it too tough. Try to squeeze in the headrest as much as possible as you're pulling it over. Once you get it on, take off the headrest, pull everything towards the bottom, make sure the tag is inside, and then there's 2 clips, and you will clip them together. Go ahead and put the headrest back on the seat, and you have now completed 1 seat. Alright, what we're going to do is place this cover on the seat, turn it inside out. Push that bottom portion towards the back, and just keep pushing until you can get it through. Bring that down around the seatbelt fastener, pull it down, and then bring the seat up. Once you bring the seat up, bring it completely down, and you'll have some string. Tie a knot in the string again, just like you did on the front seat. Put it through and pull it tight. But once again, please don't pull it so tight and break it. It just has to be kind of nice and snug. And then go ahead and tie it off. Take that back section that you slid through. It has Velcro on it. Go ahead and then just hook it to the bottom of the seat. And your back seat is now complete. Okay, now what we're going to do is go ahead and fold up the seat, lean the seat forward, and remove the headrest. Bring the seat down. Turn the cover. Slip the strap down. Bring the seat back up. Push it down. Get it aligned. And then bring it down to match the headrest holes. Get your tool that came with your kit and actually put it through the headrest hole there, and then pull it over and slide it under. Pull the Velcro section towards the back, push it all the way through, lift up the seat, then we're going to Velcro that as well. That you push to the back, and start pushing that down so you can pull the cover down nice and snug. Pull the seat down. Okay, put your headrest back on. and pull your cover over. Once again, don't pull too tight. Just bring it down and try to squeeze the headrest so it actually just slips on, and bring it down slowly. Once it's over, remove the headrest from the seat. Now we're going to pull everything over tightly, and then we're going to secure it with the attachment. Put the headrest back on, and you have now completed one portion of the seat. Perfect. Nice.